Mavulis Island stands as the northernmost point of the Philippine archipelago, a remote and windswept sentinel at the very edge of the nation's territory. This is a rugged land, its contours shaped by the relentless force of fierce Pacific winds and the pounding surf that has carved its shores for centuries. Its isolation has preserved its raw, untamed beauty. Rolling green hills, dramatic steep cliffs, and rocky coastlines teeming with vibrant vegetation, untouched by the hand of modern development. Closer to Taiwan than to Luzon, Mavulis stands as a silent guard at the country's northern border, a watchful outpost facing the vast expanse of the Luzon Strait. As part of Batanes province, it forms the final, northernmost link in the long Philippine island chain, a solitary dot marking the end of the nation's reach. Its strategic location at the entrance to the Luzon Strait makes it vital for regional security, serving as a natural lookout over one of the world's most important maritime passages. For centuries, Mavulis remained untouched and uninhabited, its harsh environment and wild terrain deterring settlement and development. Access is difficult. Reaching it means braving unpredictable, often treacherous seas from Batanes, a journey that only the most determined fishermen and travelers attempt. This profound isolation has kept the island pristine, its beaches empty, and its forests undisturbed. But it has also left Mavulis lonely and vulnerable to the elements and to outside threats. Now, a bold development project is underway, aiming to transform this remote outpost into a strategic national asset, bringing new life and purpose to the island. Imagine standing atop its highest peak, the ocean stretching endlessly in every direction, the faint outline of Taiwan visible on the distant horizon, a reminder of how close, yet how far, the outside world truly is. For years, Filipino soldiers have maintained a small outpost here, a quiet but steadfast declaration of sovereignty, their presence a living symbol of the nation's claim. Their watchful patrols and daily routines have been a symbol of ownership and vigilance, but now, change is coming to this windswept frontier. The island is shifting from a passive marker on the map to an active hub of activity, as new facilities rise and infrastructure takes shape. Soon, Mavulis will play a crucial role in the nation's future, serving not just as a symbol, but as a vital outpost for defense, research, and sustainable development. Its transformation signals a new era for the Philippines' northern frontier. The Sentinel is awakening, ready to face the challenges and opportunities of a changing world. The government's plan for Mavulis is transformative, a modern airport and deep-water seaport. The airport will handle military and commercial aircraft, enabling rapid deployment and supply. The seaport will accommodate large naval and cargo vessels, creating a reliable hub in rough seas. This project strengthens national security and unlocks economic opportunities. It connects Batanes and the country to new trade routes. The facilities will include runways, control towers, piers, and support infrastructure for a self-sustaining community. This marks a shift from defense to proactive territorial management. For Batanes, it means greater connectivity and new livelihoods. Mavulis is set to become a cornerstone of the nation's future. The Mavulis project stands as a remarkable showcase of national teamwork, where every effort is harmonized toward a common goal. The armed forces lead the charge in construction, overcoming the island's tough and unpredictable terrain with unwavering discipline, technical expertise, and a spirit of service. Government agencies, from defense to transportation, work hand in hand, coordinating every detail to ensure that each aspect of the project meets the highest national standards and safety requirements. Filipino construction firms contribute advanced technology, innovative methods, and efficiency, fueling local economies and providing valuable jobs for the community. This public-private partnership is essential for a project of the scale, blending resources and expertise from both sectors to achieve what neither could accomplish alone. Local Aviation communities and the provincial government are not just bystanders. They are active partners, sharing vital knowledge of the land, weather, and traditions that guide the project's direction. Their input ensures the project respects local wisdom, protects the environment, and honors the unique heritage of Mavulis Island. This spirit of collaboration fosters a sense of shared ownership and deep pride, uniting everyone involved in a common purpose. It's a living model for how government, industry, and community can unite, setting a powerful example for national development across the country. The result is more than just infrastructure. It's a lasting foundation for security, opportunity, and prosperity for generations to come. Every stakeholder, from soldier to local elder, from engineer to community leader, has a meaningful hand in shaping the future of Mavulis. This is nation building in action. The symphony of collaboration plays on, echoing across the land and inspiring hope. The completion of Mavulis' new airport and seaport marks a turning point for the Philippines' northern defense strategy. These state-of-the-art facilities are not just symbols of progress, they are game changers for the nation's security posture. With a permanent base established, the Philippines can now maintain an unbroken watch over the Bashi Channel and Luzon Strait, two of the most critical maritime passages in the region. This strategic vantage point enhances early warning capabilities and strengthens border security. Military assets stationed here are able to respond to emerging threats with unprecedented speed, shifting the nation's approach from reactive to truly proactive defense. The ability to mobilize quickly is a powerful deterrent in itself. The base also empowers maritime law enforcement, making it far more effective in combating illegal fishing, smuggling, and other transnational crimes that threaten the country's resources and sovereignty. In times of disaster, these facilities become lifelines, enabling rapid deployment of humanitarian aid to Batanes and nearby islands, which are often the first to face the fury of typhoons and other natural calamities. The dual-use nature of the base means it serves both security and civilian needs, making it an invaluable asset for disaster response, search and rescue, and community support. Mavulis also acts as a hub for international cooperation. Joint exercises and training with allied partners not only improve military readiness, but also deepen trust and regional collaboration. The project stands as a clear signal of the Philippines' unwavering commitment to regional stability and a rules-based international order, reassuring allies and deterring potential adversaries. By investing in its own defense infrastructure, the country not only strengthens its own security, but also becomes a more reliable and capable partner to its allies. Mavulis is more than just a fortress. It is a vital linchpin for Indo-Pacific security, anchoring the Philippines' role in the region's future. The island's remarkable transformation sends a powerful message. The Philippines is prepared, vigilant, and determined to defend its sovereignty and secure its future. Now the Sentinel stands watch over the northern frontier, stronger, more capable, and more resolute than ever before. Mavulis' development is a catalyst for economic growth in Batanes. The new airport and seaport lower transport costs, opening markets for local products like garlic and fish. Tourism is set to grow, with easier access attracting more visitors and creating jobs. The government and community are committed to sustainable tourism, preserving Batanes' unique culture and environment. Construction has already generated jobs and boosted local suppliers. Once operational, the facilities will provide long-term employment for locals. The seaport positions the Philippines as a key regional trade hub, attracting shipping and offshore industries. The economic potential is vast. Mavulis is now an asset, not a liability. This investment promises prosperity for decades. The northern frontier is rising. Building on Mavulis was a logistical and engineering feat. Every material had to be shipped across treacherous seas, with typhoons causing frequent delays. The island's steep, rocky terrain required extensive surveying and leveling for construction. Military engineers worked in harsh conditions, battling heat, wind, and rain. All structures were designed to withstand powerful storms and seismic activity. Worker welfare was a priority. Adequate housing, food, and medical care were provided. Isolation was tough, but regular rotations and communication kept morale high. The project's success is a testament to the resilience and dedication of every worker. Overcoming nature's challenges, they carved a modern facility from the wild. Mavulis now stands as proof of Filipino ingenuity and grit. The frontier has been conquered, not by force, but by perseverance. The island's transformation is a story of endurance. The impossible became reality. Environmental stewardship guided every step of the Mavulis project. Impact assessments identified sensitive ecosystems, shaping construction to minimize harm. The seaport's location avoids coral reefs. Advanced techniques prevent erosion and pollution. Waste management and renewable energy, like solar panels, reduce the island's footprint. A desalination plant and rainwater harvesting ensure sustainable water supply. Buildings are designed for efficiency and resilience. Reforestation and habitat restoration are ongoing, with native vegetation replanted. Marine health is monitored to protect surrounding waters. Military personnel serve as guardians of the island's natural heritage. The project is a model for responsible development in fragile environments. Mavulis remains a jewel of the Philippines, protected for future generations. Security and sustainability go hand in hand. The island thrives, not just survives. Respect for Ivatan culture was central to Mavulis's development. Extensive consultations with local leaders ensured their voices shaped the project. Cultural awareness programs teach all personnel about Ivatan traditions and values. New buildings incorporate elements of traditional Ivatan architecture, honoring local heritage. The project creates jobs for Ivatans, allowing families to stay together and communities to thrive. Increased connectivity helps share Ivatan culture with the world, without eroding its essence. The partnership between government, military, and community builds trust and pride. Ivatans are not bystanders, they are active participants in this transformation. Mavulis is now a bridge, connecting the nation's northernmost citizens to the rest of the Philippines. The project celebrates diversity as a strength. Every island, every culture, is vital to the Filipino identity. Development and tradition move forward together. The spirit of Batanes endures. Mavulis Island is now a symbol of national pride and resolve. Once overlooked, it stands as proof that every inch of the Philippines matters. The project embodies bayanihan, unity and cooperation across military, government, private sector, and community. In a divided world, Mavulis is a beacon of unity and self-reliance. Filipino talent and determination are on full display, inspiring confidence at home and abroad. As the sun rises over the new facilities, a new era dawns for the nation. Mavulis, once a lonely sentinel, is now a vibrant hub and a testament to resilience. The project is a message of hope and strength for all Filipinos. The northern beacon shines bright, reminding us of the unyielding Filipino spirit. A new chapter begins,